Hello students, welcome to the third video of science, class 7, chapter 15, light. In the previous video of this chapter, we have discussed about the concave mirror, and in today's video, we are going to understand about the convex mirror. But before starting today's video, if you have not subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start today's video. Let us understand about the convex mirror. As we have discussed in the previous video of this chapter, there are two types of spherical mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. If the reflecting surface of the mirror is present inside the sphere, then it is called concave mirror. And if the reflecting surface of the mirror is outside or bulged or convex, then it is called convex mirror. And now let us discuss the feature of image formed by a convex mirror. If you observe your image into outer surface of the shiny stainless steel spoon at different distances, then you will find that the image formed by the spoon are entirely different from that formed by a plain mirror. And you will notice that the image formed by the spoon is usually virtual, erect and smaller than the object. It means the image that is formed by the convex mirror are usually virtual. Virtual means they cannot be obtained on a screen, and they are erect means the object and the image are in the same position and the image are smaller than the object. And now let us discuss what are the uses of convex mirror. The convex mirror has the following uses. First, the convex mirror is used as reflector at sharp turns and tricky or blind corners and in parking lots. And convex mirror are also used as side view mirrors in the cars and on motorcycles because they form a small image of the large object, and we are able to see big size of vehicles into smaller size in the side view mirrors. And the third use of the convex mirror is they used in supermarkets and stores and ATM centers as a security measure. And now let us know what are the difference between a concave and convex mirror. So you can see a table on your screen. In this table, the major difference between concave and convex mirror are displayed. First is concave mirror is curved inward while convex mirror is curved outside. Second, the focal point of the concave mirror is in front of the mirror while the focal point of the convex mirror is behind the mirror. Third, in case of concave mirror, different types of images are formed for different position of the object and the image is inverted. While in convex mirror, the image is always virtual, erect and smaller than the object. Fourth, the concave mirror has a real focus while the convex mirror has a virtual focus. And fifth, concave mirror are used in telescope, barber's mirror and torch, while the convex mirror are used in cars, sunglasses, magnifying glasses, etc. And now let's revise what we have learned today by answering the following questions. Question 1. The reflecting surface of a convex mirror is dash the sphere, and your options are A. outside, B. inside, C. center, D. none of these. And the right answer is A. outside. Question 2. The image formed by a convex mirror is dash option A. real, inverted and small, B. virtual, erect and magnified, C. virtual, erect and small, D. real, inverted and magnified. And the right answer is C. virtual, erect and small. Question 3. The convex mirror is used as dash. Option A. Side view mirrors, B. as reflector at sharp turns, D. in ATM centers as a security measure, and D. all of these. The right answer is C. in ATM centers as a security measure. Question 4. The concave mirror is used as barber's mirror because it shows a large image when the object is dash. Option A, too close to the mirror. B, too far from the mirror. C, moved away from the mirror. And D, none of these. And the right answer is A, too close to the mirror. Practice makes perfect. Students, it's time to practice. And your practice homework are on your screens. I hope you have understood today's topic. Do like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And thank you for watching.